Hello and welcome to this Artcam 2012 video tutorial highlighting the camera controls. In order to zoom into the image, you can scroll the middle mouse button up, and to zoom out, you scroll it down. The camera will always zoom to where the mouse is positioned. In order to reset the view, you can click View along Z. In order to pan the view, you can hold down Shift and the middle mouse button and move the mouse around. To rotate the view, hold down just the middle mouse button and reposition the mouse. In order to quick zoom, hold Control and the middle mouse button and move the mouse up or down. Quick zoom will always zoom towards the center of your screen. These camera controls also translate to the 2D view. You can hold Shift and the middle mouse button to pan, and scroll the mouse wheel up and down to zoom. Again, the camera zooms to wherever your mouse is positioned. Thank you for watching this 2012 video tutorial. It's been a pleasure.